In this video, we are going to see how we can make the cash sales in Odoo with the proper accounting treatment. So here we have the transaction of 11th of January, which says cash sales of Corolla windscreen. One item is sold to cash customer for 560. And before even doing any treatment, let me just show you the profit and loss position currently, because we haven't made any sale yet during the period. So let's click on the accounting tab and click on the reporting and click on profit and loss account. So here we have no total revenue, no cost of sales, and we only have the operating expenses of repair and maintenance that we entered at the start of the month. So let's go and enter a sale. Go to the customers and click on invoices. Now just guys, based on the configuration which we have done earlier for all the ledgers, you will notice that it will enter all of the things perfectly. So let's continue. Click on new invoice. And since it is a cash customer, I need to create a sample cash customer, and then we will receive the payment at the same time. So click on cash customer, click create, and let's say it is a person. Method of payment is cash. Payment terms is immediate payment, and rest of all the things I'll keep it as it is. So click save, and we are selling them Corolla windscreen. So it goes under product sales automatically based on the configuration that we have done earlier. And the date of transaction is 11th of January. Taxes is set to exempt. Quantity is 1, rate is 560. So the totals and all are correct. Make sure the date is okay. And right now it is tagged as draft. Once we click on confirm, it will be converted to posted. And since it is a cash customer, they will pay it instantly when they receive the invoice. So basically click on pay. It is a cash journal. We are receiving all this cash on which date? On the same date, which is 11th of January, against this invoice number, and all set, create payment. So immediate payment is made. Go to the invoices and it says in payment. Go to the payments now, and it says this one is in progress. Let's open this up and click on validate, and then it will be converted to paid. Let's go to the customers and make sure there is no balance of this cash customers. So cash customers still have some balance. We need to check the invoices. Here it is. It still says in payment. Go to the payments from the top, and it is all saved. Okay, this is done basically. It will be posted in a while, but meanwhile, let's check the report. Let's make sure that it is charged properly in the sales. Now just go to the reporting and click on profit and loss account. And as we can see here, 560 for the sales amount is charged as the sales, and cost of goods sold is charged at 400, because most of these items of Corolla windscreen are purchased at 400 rate. Even the opening stock is at 400. And if you want to check the journal entry effect of any of them, just click on this cost of goods sold, and you should be able to see this main invoice. And after some time, you can see that the state of this is changed to paid. So that's how we can deal with cash sales of any particular item in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.